Have you ever wondered about the hidden secrets in the vast expanse of our universe? The James Webb Space Telescope, in its latest discovery, has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Today we'll explore a revelation that some believe could enhance our understanding of the universe. From unraveling the mysteries of distant galaxies to potential implications for our grasp of space and time, the findings of the James Webb Telescope have ignited intense debates and raised profound questions about the nature of our existence. These groundbreaking revelations have the potential to reshape our cosmic perspective and challenge our fundamental understanding of the universe. Join us on a journey beyond the reach of any previous telescope as the James Webb embarks on cosmic exploration, promising answers to unimagined questions. To comprehend the significance of the telescope's recent breakthrough, it's essential to understand the concept of the observable universe. This universe includes all we can see, measure, and study, whether through Earth-based observations or space tools. Currently, it comprises stars, galaxies, and celestial objects within our observational grasp. However, the observable universe is just a fraction of the complete universe's size and shape, which remains unknown. With an estimated diameter of around 93 billion light-years, the vastness of our cosmic surroundings is mind-boggling. The reason for this vastness lies in the universe's origins, traced back approximately 13.8 billion years ago to the Big Bang. The expansion of the universe has been driven by mysterious forces like dark energy, leading to the formation of awe-inspiring structures such as stars, galaxies, and planets. Despite its vastness, the universe is predominantly empty, emphasizing its immense size. Scaling down our solar system, the nearest star would still be as far away as 2 soccer fields within our Milky Way galaxy. Now, why can't we see the entire universe? 2 reasons explain this phenomenon. First, light takes time to travel through space, allowing us to observe distant objects as they were in the past. The farther an object, the longer its light takes to reach us, offering a glimpse into the history of our cosmos. Second, the universe's expansion causes galaxies to drift apart, making some objects beyond our observational reach due to their increasing distance. The concept of the edge of the universe has intrigued scientists for ages, leading to 3 main theories. The first suggests an infinite universe stretching endlessly based on the cosmological principle. The second proposes a finite universe without a clear edge, resembling a giant ball. The third, the multiverse theory, suggests our universe is just one of many, each with its own set of rules and properties. Now let's shift our focus to the James Webb Space Telescope, a remarkable tool allowing us to peer far back in time and make unexpected discoveries from the early days of the cosmos. In a recent study, the telescope found 6 massive galaxies existing between 500 million and 700 million years after the Big Bang, challenging our understanding of the early cosmos. These galaxies, dubbed universe breakers, are much larger than anticipated, with collective masses of stars surpassing several billion times that of our Sun. This discovery, utilizing the telescope's ability to perceive the imperceptible with infrared light, challenges conventional narratives about the formation of galaxies. The James Webb Space Telescope, initially expected to find small, newly formed galaxies, has left scientists puzzled and has the potential to rewrite cosmic history as we know it. The telescope has also revealed the oldest and farthest galaxies ever confirmed, taking us back to a time when the universe was just a fraction of its current age. In conclusion, the James Webb Space Telescope has not only exceeded expectations but also presented us with groundbreaking revelations that challenge the foundations of our understanding of the cosmos. These unexpected discoveries open new avenues for exploration and inquiry, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge about the vast mysteries hidden within our universe. Have you ever wondered about the farthest reaches of our universe? The Hubble Space Telescope made an incredible discovery, finding 4 galaxies with really high redshifts, indicating they are super far away. 2 of them, with redshifts of 10.38 and 11.58, were discovered by the Hubble. However, the James Webb Space Telescope found 2 even more distant galaxies with redshifts of 13.20 and 12.63. A redshift of 13.20 suggests a time roughly 13.5 billion years ago, revealing ancient cosmic history. The James Webb Telescope is currently conducting the James Webb Advanced Deep Extragalactic Survey (JADES), an ambitious program aiming to provide an unprecedented and detailed look into the early cosmos. Back in 2015, an international partnership known as JADES, involving over 80 astronomers and scientists from 10 different countries, was formed. The program dedicated over 10 days to observing a small part of the sky, including the Hubble Ultra Deep Field, exploring this area for over 2 decades with various large telescopes. The JADE's team made a remarkable discovery of nearly 100,000 distant galaxies, each billions of light-years away. To understand these galaxies better, scientists used the near-infrared spectrograph during a 3-day observing period, collecting light from 250 faint galaxies. This allowed them to reveal the characteristics of the gas and stars within these galaxies and obtain precise redshift values. Studying galaxies is comparable to exploring the growth of galaxies over time. While we may not know how they started, understanding galaxies is tough, similar to figuring out people. The first stars and early generations have a big impact on future galaxies, just as our early experiences shape our lives. The James Webb Telescope is playing a crucial role in answering many questions about galaxies, changing how we understand the universe. Launched in December 2021 and expected to work for 2 decades, the James Webb Telescope is a pioneer in scientific research, providing incredible insights into galaxies, planets, stars, and other cosmic phenomena. Its flawless deployment process astounded us, presenting unprecedented views of the myriad aspects of our universe. In mid-July, equipped with an advanced infrared telescope, the James Webb Telescope revealed thousands of previously unknown galaxies, older and more distant than ever imagined. Its capabilities enable scientists to gather abundant light from celestial objects such as exoplanets and newborn stars, unveiling their compositions and tracing their trajectories through space. One of the most exciting aspects of the James Webb Space Telescope's discoveries is its ability to unravel the mysteries of exoplanets. With its advanced instruments, the telescope can analyze the atmospheres of distant planets, providing crucial insights into their compositions and potential habitability. While the search for signs of life on exoplanets remains a future goal, the telescope's unprecedented sensitivity and precision make it a promising tool for this endeavor. In conclusion, the James Webb Space Telescope has opened a new chapter in our exploration of the universe. Its groundbreaking discoveries have challenged and expanded our understanding of the cosmos, from uncovering ancient galaxies that defy existing models to providing detailed insights into the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. As the telescope continues its mission, astronomers and the public alike eagerly await the next wave of revelations that will undoubtedly shape our cosmic perspective for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up and may the mysteries of the cosmos continue to inspire us all.